and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change board cover in Pinterest. Well, as you know, boards are a way to organize our pins in Pinterest, but it will make more sense if we can choose a board cover for each board that represents the board. Alright, let's look at how we can change board cover in Pinterest in today's video. So to get started, just open Pinterest by entering pinterest.com in a new tab in your browser and press enter. Now log into your account and this is how it's gonna look like. Alright, now go to your profile by clicking on this avatar icon at the top right corner, and there we have it, our boards. Alright, if we have a board something like this, on hovering we can see a pencil icon. Let's select it, and there is a place to edit this board. Just click on this pencil icon again, and from among the pins in that board we can select any one of them, and also move and scale to crop, and done, and again done, and there you have it, our board cover is changed. Now you know how to change board cover in Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing board cover in Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.